Here we are back again at the Epcot. Alright, so that side we know about. And it looks like they're going to be doing the same thing over on this side. Later. We'll go over there and take a look. So yeah, they put the walls up over here. Looks like they've already put in some of the foliage. Yep. Definitely doing the work. Epcot transformation in progress. Look at that. That's the walls extended all the way up here to guest relations. All the stuff taken out. Back to the donut box. Of course, right over here, next to Test Track. For those that didn't know, most people do. For black and white coffee cocktail. We're gonna see what's in it first. So, unfortunately, it has alcohol in it, so I won't be doing that today. And the pass holder line is longer than Test Track. It's a long line for the magnets and the coasters. Yeah, a line to get in to get the magnet and the coaster. Yep. So I got my coasters, which I didn't get last time I was here because I didn't have my ID. And we also got the Remy pass holder magnet. And here we are over at the Odyssey, or the old Odyssey, for Epcot Experience. So they got alcoholic beverages. Other than just alcoholic beverages, they do have a mix of a few little things. Popcorn, pretzels, ice cream sandwich. I've already looked at the alcohol, so yeah. Some snacks and a really cool Halloween popcorn bucket.
With the green stove.
It's a cauldron, can't you? Look at this cool Epcot Experience. We need this for our living room. It changes colors.
Red.
So they have some cool posters. Got Mary Poppins on there. Some cool Remy, all the, and we're gonna get over here and do a photo pass. Got some Mary Poppins stuff. Here's a Guardians of the Galaxy. Well, this has got a glare. Look at the Guardians of the Galaxy stuff. Now that's what I'm talking about. What is it? Four seaters.
What do you think it's?
Big smiles. And hands up. And lean.
World celebration. They got this big mural that will not fit in one frame. It's just huge. So you can't really get it all on camera. Let's start at the entrance. You come in there with a new revamped thing. And they go over this way to Guardians, the Play Pavilion, Mission Space, Test Track. And that's that side. And then of course you got the World Showcase. Not much changing there, except for a few, attractions. You come up this way, and you've got Living Seas, Imagination, and Land, Play Pavilion, or the Celebration Pavilion, right there, that two-story thing. Well, that looks really, really, really different. I do not see a new Fountain of Nations anywhere, so I don't know if that's on the plan. And there are 2 monorails on the line, which I know for a fact that right there would never happen because they're like right behind each other. Yeah, I don't see a fountain anywhere. Posters over here, like the Space Restaurant, Communicore, Spaceship Earth, Guardians of the Galaxy, Cosmic Rewind. Look at that. This is supposed to be the Celebration Pavilion.
Alright guys, really close together. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Big group hug. 1, 2, 3. And then lean forward, give yourself a Spaceship Earth. Ah!
Look at all this stuff. You just don't realize how much stuff Epcot has had over the years without coming in here and looking at all these posters. Cool shirts. And then of course the Millennium Celebration. I'm gonna have to like back up and get that on camera. Harmonious. Next to Illuminations.
Dad, really adding
Dreams. These are the sparks that make us who we are. When we share these sparks with each other, it can be magical. Welcome to a place that celebrates the magic of possibility and always has light from the very beginning.
In fact, the heart of everything we'll be doing in Disney World will be our experimental prototype city of tomorrow. We call it Epcot.
And this is just the beginning.
Oh, they got some serious projectors on this
Epcot
thing.
Experiences have always represented big ideas, from nature to discovery world culture to the celebration of humanity. It is a place full of wonders. Let's go discover them together. There's a magical new interactive trail to explore where water is alive and waiting to play.
Water is ancient. It has journeyed around our world since the beginning of time. Born as rain falling from the clouds, this water travels to our ocean, where sun and waves send it back to the sky to begin the cycle once again. Everywhere it goes, water is alive with personality, changing form and inviting us to play. More magical than we know, this most precious of resources is waiting to share its secrets. Come, journey with water.
Imagination's gonna have water coming out the top of it. It's gonna be like a water volcano.
Ready to play? A fun new
Oh, okay,
digital
that's what
city
that
is
is.
coming where you can play with all your Disney friends.
Welcome to the digital city, where playing is a way of life. Here we go!
Oh, they got Huey, Dewey, and Louie up there. I know, but it's like the little faces and stuff.
A place to play and win.
The fact that they did all of this projection stuff, that's crazy. And every section has something different on it.
Get ready to play.
This is a high dollar show.
Next up, our first intergalactic pavilion is coming to Epcot and it is out of this world. Let's go take a look.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Corman Ridley from the planet Xandar. On behalf of all Xandarians, may I say that we are extremely pleased and excited to be coming from our world to your Disney World. At our Xandar exhibition, which we understand will be the first other world showcase pavilion ever, we will present our This is a critical moment.
When Rocket unplugs you and starts things wrong.
We'll have to cut this video up.
Now you know the secret of this. We look forward to meeting you in person when our pavilion opens at Epcot in the near future.
Epcot's transformation includes some big changes. One is with the journey you may know well.
something.
And now, let's go over to Epcot's World Showcase, where we bring together cultures and ideas from around the globe. Some spectacular new films are coming. Let's take a peek at one of them. Wondrous China. Come celebrate the rich culture of this ancient and modern country.
That didn't happen last time.
Everyone's favorite little chef is coming to France. Let's see what he's cooking up for you.
Bonsoir, and welcome to Paris, the city of light. And I hope you have brought your appetite, because tonight, Chef Barry is preparing one of his specialties, which I am certain you will enjoy.
Non, c'est pour anglais. Tu sais.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it. Écoute en salle. What are you doing?
Everything's made out of cheese and stuff.
Thanks for coming, everyone. Vous êtes toujours les bienvenus chez Rémi. À bientôt et bon appétit.
Over in the United Kingdom, a practically packed adventure is coming that will have you laughing with delight.
Well, that was interesting. I'd say they did miss an opportunity to get them on camera. They should sell the posters that they got in there.
Like get copies and sell them.
Just copies of them. Or because the posters in there were awesome. The photo spots were fun. The 3D show was not to be missed. Really cool. They spared no expense with that.
I just came here.
So definitely if you come down here, this will be open probably for a while.
Love the banana smoothie. And I'll just get the banana smoothie.
Are you chasing him off? Chasing him off? It's like, nope, this is our territory. So Galen wants some banana almond soft serve sundae. So this is what it is. I don't think he's gonna like that. He might like the ice cream part. We're probably gonna have to take all the stuff off the top.
I could eat the top.
I know you can. Okay, so they're out of the banana almond soft serve, so they gave us a cheesecake trio, which as you can see right there,
Which is $5.
for free. And of course he got a strawberry ice cream cone.
Which he
Just hold it with the thing. We're gonna take a taste of it. There you go. Is that good? It's kind of what you wanted anyway, wasn't it? I was looking at this banana almond thing, and I don't think he would have liked it anyway. Over here. All right, well, you got the cheesecake thing.
Sit down. Popcorn.
That is raspberry, chocolate, in New York.
Yeah, I know. I was looking at it a minute ago.
Chocolate in New York.
Cheesecake bites.
Meatballs.
They're not huge. They're just little bite-sized cheesecakes.
New York style cheesecake.
New York style.
Pretty fast.
We know Garrett likes cheesecake.
Cheesecake?
Oh, raspberry.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna take a taste of that thing.
I don't want it. He wants one. I don't want it.
He's already got pink lips.
Alright, so he got the ice cream, which is the best deal ever because they got biggest things.
Where'd they go?
Alright, try the raspberry.
I'm gonna try the raspberry because I like raspberries.
Raspberry Coke.
That's not a very big piece.
For me.
Can I have a taste? Ooh, yummy.
Go from raspberry.
I had
Sure
a
it's not
raspberry.
snozberry? Oh, it's got raspberry filling in it. I feel like some raspberry filling in there. Anywhere the cheesecakes was $5 for pretty much 3 little bites of cheesecake. But they're good. I don't know if it's worth $5. The ice cream is definitely worth. The ice cream is cheaper.
If you want to taste of a raspberry.
What'd you think of the raspberry?
Loved it.
You liked it?
It was good. Cheese. And like raspberry cheese.
Oh my God! Would you got strawberry goatee?
Oh, he's John Wick.
All right, well lick it off. Lick it off. You gotta eat it quick before it melts.
He's ice cream with.
It's so what's gonna get?
John Wick's better.
There you go. All right, last one.
Chocolate.
The chocolate with a little raspberry glaze, or maybe strawberry.
Can I
glaze.
see? Raspberry glaze. Actually, I like strawberry glaze.
And y'all know how much I love chocolates.
A lot. I have chocolate Queen X 100% Cody.
What was that chocolate cookie bottom? Oh, yeah, that chocolate
Cookie brownie.
tastes like
It's
a
getting
brownie.
kind of dark out here. Good.
It tastes like a chocolate ice cream, but also like a brownie.
And last bite. All right, eat your ice cream before it
Oh,
starts
it
melting.
tastes like chocolate milk.
All right.
That's what it tastes like. Chocolate
All right. So
milk.
who gets? So that was free because I didn't have the banana one. Ooh. So
This was $5.
yeah. And the ice cream does the best deal.
$5.25.
Oh, $5.25.
So this was $10.25. I only spent $4.
You mean $5? Ice cream is $4.25.
I only
Oh, for the almond.
Yeah, they gave him that free.
So we bought the almond thing, and they gave us that instead, and then that for free because they didn't have the almond thing. All right.
This is more.
So it was a twofer.
Let me just tell you, this is
So instead, cheesecake trio and the shimmering strawberry soft serve. Those two.
That's for my steak.
Now I'm thinking.
Y'all ready? It looks like they're like demolishing that building. What that used to be. Tearing down those old little dinky bathrooms that nobody liked. Yay. Got the gondolas going again after the wreck. See all the France stuff going on over there? Got a whole bunch of crap going on over there. Crane is still over there. I'm guessing that's, I don't know what that's behind. What is that behind? Oh, is that for the work on the little globe? They're using a crane to work on it?
Belgium is next to it.
So food and wine's still hopping pretty good. Okay, so Cootie decided he wants something from Belgium. And that's going to be the golden malted Belgian waffle, served with berry, compote, and whipped cream.
Chocolate and cream.
He's going to get the chocolate ganache one.
I think I might do Bratwurst.
Your braised beef looks
So, the golden malted Belgian waffle with warm chocolate ganache. That was the other one. We're doing this one. So there is the Belgian waffle. It's nice and warm and melty.
It smells
And
good.
you're probably gonna just have to pick it up and eat it that way, you think? And it was $4.25. So, all right, here you go. Sit down.
Decent size.
Okay. I'm gonna sit down here.
We need some light. And hand sanitizer. Okay, sit down.
Look, I'm just gonna drop
All right.
this. Yeah. Oh.
That just told you it would be a little hard to eat with plastic.
Oh yeah.
Might want to cut it up.
Hold on.
But pick it up with your hand.
Hold on.
Go ahead, lick that off. You take this out of here.
Oh gosh, it's in my head. Okay. Yeah.
Get with your hand. It's a waffle with whipped cream and chocolate sauce.
That's good. Yeah, it's really good.
says the little boy with the spare tire.
Yeah, I thought we came to Epcot to lose some calories.
I'm not gonna.
Guess not during food and wine.
I'm not gonna gain calories.
You can chew it, you know.
Don't break it down. As Remy would say.
Oh, you look like you act like you ain't eating a week.
Would you probably have to do those?
Yes.
Been probably eating burgers for the last 11.
You got it's in your lap. You got a wipe in your lap.
I can't hold that.
And yeah, he's sitting in the stroller because he hurt his foot stomping on a guaco taco bag.
What the heck?
So he's sitting in the stroller because he's injured, and we couldn't get a wheelchair because they were out.
Why are they always out? Oh, Dad, you have something on you. Dad, you have something on
All right, so how was it?
Amazing.
All right.
It is working.
Morocco has a red organic, you can't see it, red organic sangria. Hops and barley, New England lobster roll, $8.25 for warm lobster with fresh herb mayonnaise and a grilled roll. For Gavin. So it's right there. New England lobster roll. $8.25. Over here at America. We found a nice little spot under the light here so we can see it when they get over here. And don't go in the bushes. Probably mosquitoes in the bushes. Don't disturb the mosquitoes.
Why they sleep?
Oh, how'd you like the waffle?
It was amazing. Oh, there it is. Oh, there we go. Look. Hi, guys.
All right, there you go. What you got? Let's see.
Definitely not.
Lobster roll. Yeah, see, pieces of lobster on there. kind of sloppy looking for $8.25, but $8.25. I'm thinking this is not going to be worth $8.25, but he's been asking for lobster for years.
I need my little kid.
So
I'll go get my fork.
he can eat it with his hand like a sandwich.
This is the day, Gavin. This is your
But you need to
moment.
clean your hands. So yeah, it's good.
It's really warm.
Oh, it smells like
A lobster?
lobster mixed with,
Gavin,
I don't know, clam chowder.
What's right here? And that's it.
So
Oh, you can actually like that.
$8.25 though, so we're gonna see. Not really that all that big.
Oh, I smell the lobster.
What's it, clam?
Oh, I smell the mayo. The yellow, the white stuff is the mayo.
All right.
Ready and action.
Hold your box too. Oh, there you go. I need a haircut. Good?
Love it. I remember lobster.
He's our seafood kid.
Maybe you can
Good.
chill it. So, what does it look like inside?
It's like a butter bread I'm eating.
Very soft.
Oh, he can't. It's got lobster in it. Well, we know Cootie can't eat it because Cootie can't eat shellfish. So we're not sure about Galen though.
No, I was even mine with flying around.
We're not sure about Galen, so I don't know if we want to risk it.
I don't want to risk anybody else.
Yeah, no, we're not sure if Galen can eat.
Garrett can.
Mosquito, mosquito.
Go ahead. Well, he's getting his next. Go ahead. If it falls out, you can eat it with a fork. It's just a little moth flying around. So,
Maybe
worth it?
Gavin can chill it.
What do you think about lobster?
Love lobster.
It's probably the first time he's had it. Well, other than that, yeah, it's probably the first time he's had lobster.
Never had a lobster
He's
yet.
had crab, but never lobster.
Have I? No.
Yeah, you have, but then you broke out. So that's why we didn't give you no more shellfish.
Maybe Gavin
Looks
can
like he's
chill it.
enjoying it. That $8 went, just gone. That's what I was gonna get, but then Gavin decided he wanted it, so I'll do something else. Yeah, I tasted off the fork. It's delicious. It is some good taste. Here, let me have a little sample of the lobster because I know what lobster's supposed to taste like. A little piece.
That's lobster.
I'll eat the little fatty piece or what. Not right. Yeah. Tastes like the ocean, man.
She gets swallowed up by a dye.
So what do you think?
Love it. Now, is it worth $8.25?
I think it's a little pricey, but it is lobster now. It's not like fake lobster. So you're going to pay a little more for lobster.
Good. 100% worth it.
But it's definitely good. It definitely tastes like American, the North, the Northeast, you know, Maine and all those lobster places. So yeah. All right, good. All right, so there it is, $8.25, just like it said on the sign. You know, no big surprise. So they've extended the walls all the way to the exit of American Adventure. So, can't wait for that barbecue. It doesn't say Fireball on it. So at the Fife and Drum Tavern, it's gonna do the frozen red stag lemonade with cherry bourbon. So it wasn't at the Fife and Drum, it was next door at the Joffrey's stand for the Whiskey Adventure Frozen Lemonade and Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey. Not my thing, but pumpkin cream cold brew.
Thank you.
So I got my pumpkin cold brew coffee. Pretty good size. It's got a nice layer over there. Give me a straw and get in this bad boy. So since it's the paper straws only around here, I'm just gonna drink it out of the little hole in the top. That's a pumpkin cold coffee. Nothing special about it. Just pumpkin aftertaste. Okay. All right. So here's the Firebomb whiskey thingamadoogie with really screaming kids. So my coffee was $4.69. The other thing was $9.99. Oh my god. So, ignoring the screaming kids.
Oh my god, it's lemonade, and then you get this hint of cinnamon, and it's like,
So
it's
refreshing. So is it refreshing?
It's very refreshing.
Okay, that's kind of cool. This is nothing special. You can get something like this anywhere. Okay. You can see a little layer. Wow. Oh my god, some people just let their kids be annoying. Those parents are coming for the whiskey, I can tell you that. After having kids that act like that. You can get it single or double shot.
I got a single.
Yeah, because we don't do the alcohol too much. She'll be asleep before we get home. That is just a warning. This thing right here is very drinkable. You can definitely drink it. It's not hard to drink at all.
And you can chug it.
You know, it is pretty delicious. So,
I mean,
actually, it's better than this pumpkin coffee. But let's say you could take to lemonade and like a cinnamon cherry something.
No, it's cinnamon fireball.
I know it's like cinnamon lemonade. It's actually a lot more delicious than I thought it would be. But I'm gonna have to drink my cold brew pumpkin coffee.
I've got you the latte.
So Garrett has decided for Germany, and he wants the roast Bratwurst for $5.75.
Why do you think it's called that?
Started on the pretzel. So the roast Bratwurst, just like a Bratwurst on a pretzel roll. Though the more you get down to the bottom, the more spicy it gets. So still just an average pumpkin coffee. Nothing special. Is it worth $5? Probably not. If you're wanting some caffeine, maybe. I don't know. You get coffee all over the place. So actually, it's more ice than anything. Okay, so sitting over here by Snow White's wishing fountain, there's piped out bird chirps coming from like the window over there. Just an FYI. Okay, you're in the light now. So yes, $5.75.
What does it look like?
And oh my, I wasn't expecting it to look like that.
I was
so
the hot dog.
It's basically, it does have a little side of mustard over there.
Can I see?
I
want to see it.
Bratwurst hot dog.
Can I
So,
see it?
Dude, right there.
Yeah. Wow.
All right.
That's a foot long hot dog.
That so looks good.
Saw the whole.
I love that.
All right. Your hands clean?
Yeah.
Okay. What does that mean?
It's good. I don't know what bratwurst is made of.
Okay. Sausage.
That's what it is. Yep. It does come with mustard. I don't think it needs the mustard though.
Some people like the mustard.
It's just there if you want it.
Some people like the mustard.
Because it's a pretzel bun.
Some people like the mustard, so.
Tell me sausage. Good sausage.
I don't know if Galen.
It's a hot dog.
There. Okay.
Having a heart attack.
What do y'all think? Sausage? Cootie's like, yeah, that's okay. I like my waffle.
Put lobster on that. Mama's having a heart attack.
Yeah, he did, because Galen took a bite of it.
Yeah,
It's totally having a heart attack right now.
Pretty good, then? Worth $5, $6,
My soup
whatever.
is better.
$5.75.
I mean, it's pretty decent size.
turns out all the stuff you can get at the pavilion to actually have a spot or showcase, you can actually buy.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good size for what it is. That would be pretty satisfying. Pretty good size. So. Okay. Everybody got something? Now it's time to get ready for the fireworks. How's that lobster?
Love it.
Bratwurst.
Good.
Ice cream. How was the waffle?
Amazing.
To the World Showcase Lagoon. And in just 15 minutes, we invite you to enjoy Epcot Forever, a spectacular celebration of Epcot's yesterday and tomorrow. Because of lower light levels during the show, please watch your step. And kids, take your parents by the hand. Get ready, because tonight's performance of Epcot Forever will take to the sky in just 15 minutes. Thank you.
So she went and got herself a cookie over at the Werther's shop, the caramel shop. Everybody had copyrighted music. So this was over at the little caramel Germany shop. Some caramel popcorn for free. I guess they're trying to get rid of it at the end of the night. So here, so at the end of the night, if you go in there, you might get some free caramel popcorn. Caramel popcorn. At the end of the night, it's like if they have a bunch left over, they try to go ahead and get rid of it so it doesn't get stale overnight. $3.91. All right, time for the show. Got a free popcorn though.
One little spot. ready for takeoff.
Always downwind against the soot. Soot right in the face.
May peace go with you forever and ever as you celebrate the future hand in hand.
attention to the wind.
We wish you a wonderful evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.
So as usual, another good night at Epcot. But our torch didn't come back on there. It is having issues. So yeah. See you in a theme park. That's the caramel shop that got the cookie at, by the way. I don't know if anybody knew that. And caramel popcorn that they must give away the extra stuff in, and I just let you know that. So yeah. Now, see you in the theme park.
Ahoy all, and welcome to the Pirates. We put videos up on this channel all the time, so please subscribe. Don't forget to ring this bell so that you'll be notified every time that one of our videos is ready for you to watch.